welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at a leaked Liverpool shirt for the 25-26 season. And this shirt was purchased from kitmm.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. I'll also leave a dhgate link for my usual seller, and they do have Liverpool items, so the link should take you directly to the Liverpool shirts on their website. The shirt itself comes in a standard Adidas bag. On the flip side, it does have the standard health warnings. I'm really looking forward to getting this one out and of the bag and having a proper look at it, because it is a leaked shirt. You never know with these leaked ones whether they're going to be exactly how they end up, or if it is just something that's been spotted and created. I think straight away the first thing for me is the badge looks a little bit off. The live bird looks too far to that way. I get why they've done it, because the wings obviously are on this side, but I think because its foot is closer to this side, it looks slightly over to one side. But as I say, the seller is kitmm. All details for the seller in the description of this video. If you do enjoy the content, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. So what we'll do now is we'll get this bag open and we'll have a look at the leaked Liverpool away shirt for the 25-26 season. Okay, we'll start with the front of the shirt, and it's got a bit of a V-neck collar. So you've got the like burgundy colour here, which goes into the stripes, which stops there to give you the proper little V-neck part there. Adidas, that's been heat pressed on. This is the player spec version. That's like a rubber. The Liverpool badge is also rubber, heat pressed on. Standard Charter sponsor, that is more of your standard vinyl. So whereas these are rubber, this is just like a plastic, but smooth as can be. So you can see that if I rub my finger over this one, being vinyl, it just goes straight over. That lifts the shirt because it's got a bit more textured rubber in it. At the bottom we have the authentic licensed product, and that's been stuck on it with plastic over it, or is that just how it is? I think that's how it is actually. It's a bit strange. And we have the heat radio on this side, and obviously being the player one, it's very lightweight. My hand is clearly visible through it. Just notice we have Expedia sleeve sponsor, and that is vinyl as well, the same as the sponsor. Nothing on this side though. But there is the front of the shirt. We'll flip it around and we'll take a look at the reverse side now as well. Okay, we're on to the flip side now. And the burgundy comes around and stops at the back. I think you've got the padded on the inside, which we'll look at in a bit. But here now, if I push in, look, you can see here the size guide. You can see the tags. Even here, I've got the right light there. At the right light, you can even see the sleeve sponsor for it. So you can probably see, there you go, the main sponsor there, Adidas, and the Liverpool crest is around about here somewhere. So again, that gives you a good indication of how see-through and lightweight this material is. It's all that breathable material, and that again, hand is clearly visible at the bottom. So yeah, without a doubt, if you're going to be wearing one of these shirts, you need to wear something under it. So if you've got a tattoo or something on your back, that's going to be very, very visible. But there's the back of the shirt. We'll flip it around and we'll take a look at the inside as well. Okay, we're now on the inside of the shirt, and you can see the stripes I mentioned have been heat pressed on. Sleeve sponsor, Liverpool badge, and yeah, that's all nice and smooth. And yeah, sponsor absolutely perfect. To be fair, all of those are really on nicely. And that's our authentic product. I was just seeing whether that was heat pressed on, and it is, yeah. Over here we have the washing instructions. A recommendation with these shirts is to put them on a hand wash setting and do not tumble dry, just let them dry standardly. When you're washing them, make sure you have flipped them inside out too. Stitching out all looks good. I just realised it's actually got the flap on the reverse side as well. yeah, stitching looks good, which is sometimes a leak check's a bit of a surprise. They don't usually give them as much effort as the one they're fully released, but this one looks really tidy. Okay, final part of the inside, that's that padding that's on the back of the neck. I'm not actually sure what that's meant to do. Is it meant to support your neck? If anybody does know, drop a comment below and let me know. Got a bit of plastic. That'll be where it's been pressed in. And that is just our size. In XL, it's a bit of a wonky line there, but XL slim fit's the player version. So with this one, it is going to be very much more like a large. So if you are looking to buy a player version style shirt, then you should always size up. Got the standard tags that come with it, and that's jersey, and you've got the product code, QR code at the top there as well. But now if we push in, you can see just how see-through this material is. That looks like it could be on the outside. But apart from that, stitching all looks good. That's the final part of the inside of the shirt. And there we have it, the Liverpool leaked away shirt for the 25-26 season. And this was purchased from kitmm.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. I'll also leave a dhgate link for my usual seller, which will enable you to go and see what items they have. It will be a link direct to Liverpool, because I do know that they sell Liverpool shirts. I don't know if it'll be this one though, because that is a leaked one. The leaked ones don't always get put out straight away. You sometimes have to go to your sellers like your KitMMs to be able to get hold of these ones. Now this shirt I think looks absolutely lovely actually. My only downside to it is it's white. I do like a white shirt when they're brand new, but once you've worn them a couple of times, they never have this lovely white glisten to them. So that's always the problem. But it does look very nice. And I do like the badge. It's just, like I said, the Lyrebird just looks over to one side, but I get why they've done it. At the top there it looks absolutely fine. It's just when you look at his feet, it looks a little bit over, but there's no other real way of doing it. So if you have enjoyed this one, please hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. I will leave the link to the seller in the description of this video, kitmm.com. But I hope you enjoyed this leaked Liverpool shirt for the 25-26 season. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.